guys, hope you are doing great. Welcome back to another video, guys. Of course, this video is very exciting and very interesting for you guys, because this video I'm gonna show you guys a good platform. Of course, if you are doing affiliate marketing and you need some affiliate marketing programs that you can sign up as a beginner, so as to promote their offers and so on and so forth. So this platform, guys, Cpalead, is a good platform. Of course, if you are a beginner and you just start doing affiliate marketing, and of course you find it very hard to sign up with other platforms, of course, like Max Bounty, ClickBank, Cpalead, you find it of course very hard. And of course they don't just approve you like this. They know they need you to be much more professional about what you are doing, and of course they need you to be of course well aware about affiliate marketing and about of course online marketing and such stuff, because they need people that can of course help them to promote their stuff, to earn money, and of course you earn money as well. So if you find, as I say to you, if you find it very hard for you to sign up with other platforms that I have mentioned before, so this platform which called Cpalead is very good for you guys. I have already signed up with this platform, and I have of course worked and used it, and I have earned some cash already with this platform by of course promoting their offers. So guys, before we jump directly to this platform, don't forget to subscribe and hit the button so as to receive much more videos about online stuff, guys. So let's go directly to our platform. Okay, once you are here, exactly guys, you need to sign up. I'm not of course going again to show you how you can sign up, because this is our only classical thing. So you just need to insert, of course, to add your email, your mobile phone, your address, and then it's done. Okay, for me, I'm going to log in because I have already my account here. Okay, once you have already of course guys, I'm gonna add in the description, of course below the description you're gonna find the link of this platform where so you can sign up directly to this platform. Okay guys, let's go to inside this platform to see what's going on there and how you can use it, guys, to of course to promote some stuff here and so on and so forth. Of course, today's video I'm gonna explain you some stuff here, guys, that you need to do, which are very important for you guys, and about promoting the offers and other stuff. Of course, in the next video I'm gonna show you how you can of course promote these offers. Okay, so once you are here, guys, exactly this is our dashboard, of course main dashboard. Here how it looks. You find here today, your earning today, your yesterday, and about the of course the it's all about the money that you have earned daily. That is it, guys. So if you want to go directly to see the offers, you just come on your left here exactly and click on offers, so as to see all the offers that they have here. Exactly as I said, this is a good platform for beginners. Of course, not only beginners, but if you find it hard, as I said, to sign up with other platforms that requests much more profession and so on, so this one is very good for you guys. So once you are here, guys, you just need to scroll down. Here are all the tasks that you need to promote. For example, if you need to target a certain, for example, country, for example, let's say that we want, for example, to, by the way, let me explain to you first this is the country here where you can choose the country that you want to target. For example, about offer type, here is exactly where you find all offers, like because when it comes to affiliate marketing, there are many offers that you can promote, like this one, for example. They have, this platform has got, of course, like email submit and service, like service pin submit, mobile, and trial or purchases. When it comes to devices, of course, you need of course to make sure that of course you select whatever you want here. Do you want to target all devices? Do you want to target only iPhones or iOS apps, Android apps, mobile CPE? That is it, guys. So once you are here exactly, let's show you just how this works. Okay, for example, we want to target United States. Okay, we need to target American people, and of course we need the offer type. I think I find it what I find very easy for you guys is email submit and surveys and mobile. Let's check, for example, email submit and survey and service. Here, guys, it's good for you to use all devices only, so as to target mobiles, desktops, and so on and so forth. So once you select all this stuff here, guys, you need to scroll down, and of course here are all the offers that you have to promote exactly. For example, if we want to promote this offer, you need to click on it, for example, to see what you need to do exactly. So once you are here, so of course this is the link. Okay, this is the link that you need to promote. So if you are making if you have a website or a landing page and you want to promote this offer, of course you don't forget to tick this URL link or this affiliate link, and then you can insert it in your website or landing page or blogger or whatever you have, and then you can promote it. Okay, the most important stuff that you need to know here exactly, guys, is that the converts, when it comes to convert, when someone of course completes the survey, you're gonna earn $0.60, okay, which is very good for you guys. And this is another one. There are many offers here, guys. When it comes to mobile, let's check mobile. Of course you're gonna find some. Okay, let's go, for example, to check Germany, for example. Okay, there is nothing around here. Okay, let's check India. Okay, Android. Let's select Android apps so as to promote apps, for example. Okay, when it comes to here exactly, here are mobile apps that we need to promote, and everyone that do this action, of course, everyone that installs this application, we're gonna earn $0.12, which is very good. Okay, when it comes, if you go directly inside, of course, this offer, you're gonna find your affiliate link, of course. And what they see here, they say that you're gonna earn, of course, or the conversion, of course, is about only installing the app, which is very good. If someone install this app, you're gonna earn 0.12. That is it, guys, about this platform. So there are many other stuff when it comes, for example, to the land. If you are here exactly and click on the landing page, they have already some landing pages here, guys. So if you want to create a landing page, you just need to, of course, to click on create a landing page. So here are the templates that you can use. You can select whatever template you want, and you find it looks good for you, and you can use it, of course, and you can add some information that you need to do. For example, if you are promoting an Android app or something like that, you need to select one of like this one, for example, or this one. You need to select the one you find it very good for you guys, and then you can add all the information there, and of course add your affiliate link, and then you promote it. That is it for today, guys, video. Of course, guys, for the next video, I promise you that I'm gonna make a video for you where exactly I show you how you can promote one of these these offers, okay, by using Facebook groups, or of course in general by using free traffic. Of course, as you are a beginner, for example, and you don't have much more money to invest with ads or something like that, and you are looking for free traffic. So in the next video, guys, I promise you to show you the ways that you can use to generate some money with free traffic. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I said before, and hit the button to receive much more online videos that will help you, of course, to earn much more money online. So keep tuned, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.